And welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to see how to make a Death Note. It's a very popular anime. Death Note is a basically notebook in which if you write somebody's name, the person will die in 40 seconds. So let's start the video. Before watching video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So first of all, you have to take two printouts of the front cover and the second page of the book. After that, you need to cover your any notebook which you have chosen for making a Death Note. You need to cover it with the black paper, or you can paint a front cover and the back cover of the notebook. The procedure is as shown in the video. Death Note is a very popular anime. If you haven't seen it yet, you can watch it on any anime website. I think it's available on YouTube too. I am also a fan of this anime, so that's why I have decided to make exact same notebook. So fun fact is that if you write somebody's name in the book, as I said earlier, if you write somebody's name, the person will die in a 40 seconds by heart attack. What they have shown in anime is the person, I mean the main lead who owns the Death Note, he decides to finish a crime from this world and make a world a better place. So he kills every other criminal and murderer. So he writes everybody's name in the book. So this is a fun fact. So if you own any notebook, whose name you will write in your notebook, please tell me this in our comment section. Whose name you will write. So I will announce that names in our next upcoming video. I will make a short video of it. Whose name you want to write, I will write that name in my Death Note. As you can see in the video, you need to glue a full page of our notebook so you can stick a black chart paper or any black paper on it. Also, you need to cover the last page of your notebook so it looks like this, fully, a plain background. You need to follow the procedure as shown in the video. Now you need to cut the corners of our paper so that you can stick them neatly as shown in the video, how I have shown. We need to fold all three sides of our notebook. You need to cut the corners, and now we need to cut corners of all the three sides from both the sides of paper, for front cover, for last page, for front page. After folding them neatly, we need to stick them using glue or with the help of double-sided tape. Here I have used a glue. follow the same procedure for all other 3 sides. Our book is almost ready. Now we need to write a name on a front side. Either you stick a page or you write a name. I have tried to stick our printout, but what happened is the color is not matching. So that's why I have decided to write a name using our white pen. You can draw it by using brush also, but depends on how you are skilled with your drawing or painting. So that's why I have used white pen. You need to write in exact same font. So for that you can try using a carbon paper. So our front page is ready. Now we need to stick a rule page to the back side of our front page. So first of all we need to cut the printout exactly. Then we need to stick it. So now you can use a cutter if you are confident but cutter is a little bit risky to use. That's why I have used directly scissors. Now we can stick it. So finally here our death note is ready. You can see now it's ready to write names in it. So I hope guys you have enjoyed this video. So let's see you in the next video. Please don't forget to mention your comments in comment section below. Till then, bye. I will see you in the next video.